I will teach you how to use cryptocurrency Facet like Publish0x to earn free cryptocurrencies for reading cryptocurrency and other blog posts. You can think of Publish0x as paid version of Reddit. First you need to sign up for free Publish0x account. Follow the link provided below. All you need is email to sign up. I find most useful place to make cryptocurrency on Publish0x is to find interesting cryptocurrency news on Popular section. Popular section you can see articles or blogs that have most user rating just like Reddit's upvotes. In Publish0x higher user ratings are the ones with most donations. Open up any article you find interesting to you. Besides popular categories there are news, Bitcoin, Ethereum, Maker, Aave, Polkadot, Link, Binance, Farm, Synthetics, AMPL and Uniswap. I show what kind of coin and wallet you can withdraw your coins. It supports Ethereum, AMPL token, IFARM. You can withdraw AMPL and ETH to KuCoin crypto exchange as well. Minimum withdrawal on-chain for ETH is $5.50 on KuCoin. For AMPL it is on-chain $5 and KuCoin is 50 cents. For IFARM on-chain is $2 and KuCoin is not supported. In this example I love learning about difference between Bitcoin veterans and newbies in popular section. I open this article. Read this interesting article. It has rating of $11.33 donated. Go to the tip section where you can tip the author. Click on the tip button. It tells you typically 80% author and 20% is for me. You can go as low as 20% for author and 80% for you as well. You can adjust this as you fit. Submit the tip. You and author both will get rewarded whatever currency was listed. I usually tip on Ethereum. You can tip on other currencies as well. After finding the correct ratio, hit tip to initiate the tip. You and the author will be paid in cryptocurrency. The screen say how much you get paid in which cryptocurrency. After you tip it says come back in few hours to tip another author again. In this example says come back in 9 hours to tip the author. If you go to different article you can tip different authors with less waiting time. I will provide link to Publish0x link below. Please subscribe and hit the like button to let YouTube search gods know about this video. Happy crypto!